Hey again. In this video I want to change the design of this layout to allow user to send and accept invitation. So you remember we had this one, table view, to display data as a table. But now we have some changes. Table view will not work, but still I still need the table view to hold this content. So this is 3 rows, still need to be inside table view. So make sure take them, define table view, and add these 3 items inside it. Good. This is for this design. Now also the table view have specific features like these things. I just take them and move them to this table view features. Okay, table view also has this one, layout height and layout width. Just take it and add it. So still I'm in the table view, but this one now need to be changed to linear layout. Why linear layout? Because table view will not work with my new design, so better to change it to the linear layout. And also still give it same background. Why remove the background? Still let the linear layout taking that background. So see now what I have table view and I have linear layout. Linear layout saying horizontal, but it's by default. I will change it, I think, vertical to make it in this way. Yes, I have table view and I want to add another layout inside my design, which horizontal, which holds some information about the gaming player. So this one will hold the 3 things. So wait a second, I will add plain text inside it. That's good for this one. And also add 2 buttons like accept or ask or request invitation. So this one for accept, whatever, this one for request. So see, this one is someone taking all the screen because the height is match parent, make it wrap content, and bam, you done. This button is better to change the color of this button. I think you remember we did work on some layout design in colors. Some colors I think we had here. Too many colors we have, not some colors. So let me suppose the buttons taking the green color if you want, if we want, or the blue. Okay, blue. I think blue. Blue is nice. Blue and green. So let me suppose this layout will have changing it. So this one will hold the blue one. So I say this button because he requests. So Android request, I say it background. I give it add color, not white. I give it blue. And this one, the second button, let me give the green to make it like hey accept. So for green, I think, yes, it sounds nicer. If you just see more nice color, let me see, maybe we have more nicer. Yeah, dark green. I love this color. So going back to main layouts, and yes, this one should be. I would suppose this one should be not this one. This one should be dark green. Yeah, it sounds nicer for me. No, I don't think nicer. This one is better. So this button will be for accept. This button for be invite or request. You request something. So you have request, you have accept. This button for this text field, I don't need to add anything as input. I want it to be empty, but I want to add hint. So I say Android hint. I could do it from UI. I could do it from here. I say email, other email, other player email. Okay. And going this layout, if see it is too much, like is matching the top side, which is I don't like it. It is better to add some margin or padding. I would suppose margin because I'm doing it internally. If you do it padding, same thing. I would say like 10 from all sides. So I just make it nicer. Like hey, I want to take 10 from all sides, which is yes. And also these 2 buttons up, one beside the other that I don't like. So I say Android padding. Now I'm doing margin, sorry, between one and another. So I say margin for the right, for the left, yes, between him and the other one. Let me start. I say 3 pt between it and the input field, and also between this button and this button also add. So yes, no, not you. I think I selected the wrong button. I selected this one. I don't need to do it in this one. Did I? Yes, I have to add it to this one. So select the correct button always. So select that one, add, select this one, add, which is good. So I want to do add. Now it's good for now. So this button should enable that both events for them for requesting. So this one should be ID for it. So I say et email, should have the email for the player. This one should be requesting. You can be your request. I don't care about this one, but I care about the event for it. So I say be your request event, and make sure to implement this one. So make sure to go main activity and implement that event. So I say function be your request view, and make sure this one part from view. Yes, I think view already imported here, so I don't need to import it. So this is for requesting. What's the error here? What's the wrong here? Function. I think everything is good. Function view. I don't think there is anything wrong with this method, but we use this pattern before. Maybe we did some mistake. Let me just see if this pattern already have any error. Nah, I think you need just to define the word protect before it. Maybe. Yes, protect. I need to add it. And also I have another button event, but not BU request. Name it BU accept. Okay, this is for accept. Okay, it's better to change it. This is the capitalizing, so this one request will be in this way. So if you go to main layout, this one should be for request. Replace it with this one. So okay, make sure to replace it correctly. Make sure to get replaced. So be your request. I don't know why the UI doesn't accept it. And also do same event for the second button, which is this one, but this one will not call the request. This one will call the second one, which is accept. So make sure to go to main UI and change this one to accept. Okay, BU accept. So now if I wait a second, just make sure I did correctly. This one should be accept. So if I just click BU request, I have to have information for email. So I say var user email. Just make sure I'm doing correct work. I say I take it from edit text email dot text. That's good. So what about the second one, which is this one? If I BU accept, you have to, when I click on it, you have to take me to this one, and also I will be able to take that email. Just making sure. So now everything sounds cool for me, and I don't have any problem. One thing missing, if I just go to the login, let me just change this one also, the button of this one. I say Android, okay, maybe background. I just give it Android color, whatever color you would like. But let's suppose blue, black, no, green will be, maybe green will be better. Yes, sound good. So here we done. Thank you for watching. See you next.